Hi, I'm Goplavani and I'm here to explain implementation of k-means clustering for customer segmentation. We are using machine learning method called k-means clustering to group customers into different groups based on their similarity. Objective of this method is to group similar data points together and separate the similar data points into different groups for identifying similarities, reduce complexity, and discover patterns. And this is the Python code for the experiment level. The first step is to importing library. The first line indicates import pandas as PD. It is used for handling tables and creating data frames. The second line indicates importing the matplotlib. It is used for drawing graphs and plots. The third line indicates importing sklearn. Sklearn is used to make machine learning easy in Python. It provides ready-made tools for tasks like grouping data, for clustering like k-means, and prediction for classification and regressive data splitting and processing. The fourth line indicates loading data sets. Read the CSV file named mall underscore customer.csv, stores it in a variable called data. Now the data is like a table in Python. The fifth line indicates selecting the feature. The ilog means selecting the data by position, that is index. The colon represent takes all row. 3, 4 indicates the take column 3 and column 4 only, and dot value converts it into a NumPy array. The sixth line indicates creating a k-means model. Let's create a k-means model. N underscore cluster is equal to 5 means we want to distribute the data into 5 groups, that is cluster. Random underscore state is equal to 0 ensures same result every time you run this code. The seventh line indicates training and predicting clusters. The fit underscore predict does two things. Learn pattern from data, assign each data point into a cluster. Y underscore k-means stores clusters numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3. And the eighth line indicates plotting data point. Create a scatter plot, that is dots on a graph. X colon 0, which indicates the first column. X colon 1, which indicates the second column. Y underscore k means that colors each point based on the cluster group. S is equal to 50 indicates size of a point. The line 9 indicates plotting cluster center. Cluster underscore centers, it gives the center points of each group. Colon 0, the first column, that is income center. Colon 1 indicates spending score center. S is equal to 200 indicates this makes the center points bigger. Marker is equal to X. This shows them as a X. The 10th line indicates the name the horizontal axis as an annual income, and the 11th line indicates the name the vertical axis as a spending score. And the 12th line indicates the axis adds the title go to the graph. The 13th line indicates display the final plot of the user. The output. This graph shows the customer group based on the annual income and spending score. Each dot represents one customer in a group. The dots are colored to show different customer groups. The blue X mark shows the center of each group. This helps understand different types of customers or easily differentiable by using k-means clustering. Thank you.